Within Tripar's 65,000 square feet, 4,000 square feet is dedicated to our in-house tool room. Our tool room employs a variety of machinists and tool makers who build all sorts of dies, punch and bend dies, draw dies, deep draw, and progressives. They also maintain them, repair them, modify them, sharpen them at no charge for as long as the customer keeps ordering that part. Our tool room uses a variety of precision machine tools, doing operations such as turning, milling, heat treating, and assembly. All of our die design is done on a 3D CAD solids modeler. It allows for great visualization of the design prior to getting into the tool room. A technology that we are employing more and more on new dies is in-die sensors. These are electronic sensors that communicate with the press and are monitoring for unwanted activities in the die, such as material misfeed, part non-ejection, or other out-of-tolerance conditions. If any of these occur, a signal is sent to the clutch and brake mechanism within the press, which is stopped immediately before any damage to the press or the die occurs. Having been in business over 65 years, we have amassed over 1,600 dies. We always try and solve a customer's problem at the lowest possible cost. Having all these dies enables us to do so because very often we can make use of an existing die and modify it for a customer's specific requirements. The majority of our dies have interchangeable components within them, allowing them to produce multiple configurations of the same basic part. If we or a customer can capitalize on an existing die, it could potentially allow them to have a highly customized product without investing in a whole set of new tooling. We do this to allow them to get their parts into production at the lowest possible price.